Hebei Boxin Recovery Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of medical and rehabilitation equipment. We mainly produce hospital bed, nursing bed, transfer trolley, stretcher, medical trolley, air mattress, and other hospital furniture. We strictly implement the medical device quality management system during production and quality testing process. All products are accurate processing and high endurance, and proved by European Union CE, FSC, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ISO 45001, ISO 14001. Boxin have 4 units Japanese brand Hongshan laser cutting machines, 20 units Yaskawa robot welding machines, 30 units carbon dioxide gas-shielded arc welding machines, multiple units quality testing experimental equipment, and other most advanced manufacturing facility. And all our technician and engineer are highly educated, well-trained. We continuously strive to excellence in the production. Our high-efficiency sales team offer fast response service and sincere cooperation. We are dedicated to offer most cost-effective products. Boxin products have entered more than 5,000 hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, rehabilitation centers all over the world. We provide health care to patients and medical staff in more than 80 countries and regions around the world. After clinical use, Boxin brand receives very positive feedback and trust from customers. We eager to support you. Look forward to working with you as lifelong partner. Let's create the brilliancy together.